In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly enable free layer in CapCut. If you've ever felt limited by the default track order in your timeline, this setting is going to make your editing a lot more flexible. Free layer lets you move clips and assets more naturally, stack them the way you want, and rearrange layers without fighting the track hierarchy. It's especially useful for overlays, motion graphics, and complex compositions where you need fine control over what sits on top. First, open CapCut. Launch the desktop app or the web editor, whichever you use regularly. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you're switching between versions, make sure you're on a recent build so the setting appears as expected. You don't need to open a specific project yet, but having one ready helps you immediately see the difference after you change the setting. Next, click Settings. Look for the gear icon in the interface. It's typically in the top area of the workspace. This opens a panel where CapCut stores all of your global preferences, from performance and cache to editing behaviors. Think of this as the control room for how the editor behaves behind the scenes. We're going to make a quick change that affects the way your timeline layers interact. Inside Settings, go to the Edit section. You'll see categories along the side of the Settings window. Click Edit to bring up the options that control your editing experience. These are all about how clips behave when you move, trim, and arrange them. So it's exactly where we need to be to adjust layering behavior. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the list. It's a dedicated section with timeline-related preferences. Now, click on Arrange Layers. This is the option that defines how CapCut stacks elements on the timeline. In this menu, switch to the free setting. With free layer enabled, you can freely reposition and reorder items without being constrained by a strict track order. It makes dragging clips above or below others much more intuitive, and it's great for building layered sequences quickly. If you're working with text, stickers, or multiple video overlays, you'll notice how much smoother it feels. After applying the change, return to your project and try moving a few clips to get a feel for the new behavior. If you ever need to go back to a more structured track order, you can revisit the same setting and switch it back. That's it. Simple and fast. Thanks for watching. If this helped streamline your workflow, you're ready to layer confidently and edit faster in CapCut.